Members from the Blue Sky Rescue Team, a Chinese civil relief squad, arrived at Baiyun International Airport in Guangzhou, South China's Guangdong province on Sunday, upon completion of the rescue mission in earthquake-hit Turkey. The team was warmly welcomed by their teammates, families, staff members of the Turkish Consulate General in Guangzhou, as well as Turkish businessmen and students living in Guangzhou.
我们这一次的话是从8号我们就已经开始出发去前往土耳其了，到目前为止出队了341人的一个蓝天的一个队伍。那么到目前截止来讲的话，我们统计的数据呢是营救了8名的幸存者以及138名的一个遇难者。
今天我们来这里就是接蓝天救援，谢谢中国所有的救援去土耳其帮忙我们，我很感动。我觉得是中土一家，我们是永远是一家人。感谢中国，感谢蓝天，中土一家。